In today's video, I will tell you how you can create
First search
backlinks to rank your
SEO
website
on Google and click on the first link. Click on Create a new account and get the sign up from your Gmail. I am using temp mail to show you, but I would recommend that you sign up with Google. Check your email inbox and activate your account to confirm your membership on this site. Click on Activate button. Now your membership is activated and you got 20 points on this site. Points have a very important role in this site. I will tell you at the end of the video. Now click on Ask a Question button. Write a title of your question and select a category. Add some tags. If your question is a poll question, then mark A way. Is this question is a poll? Now select a featured image of your question. And enter some detail article of your website and your website link to generate backlink. If you want to post anonymously, then check Ask Anonymous Me. If you have a video to upload, then check Add a video to describe the problem better. Fill CAPTCHA and click on Publish your question. Your question has successfully published.
My innocence, how it always seems to get lost in violence.
Your backlink has been successfully generated. And if you want more traffic on your site, then you can also make your question sticky pin. You see viewers of this question, followers, and answers. Here you add your answer. I'd rather shoot and miss, so I'ma raise my fist and live it limitless, limitless. and submit your answer.
limitless. I refuse to just exist.
Your answer is under review.
So I'ma raise my fist and live it limitless, limitless.
Click on Badges. Here you see how you earn points for free and here the badges system. If you have 10 points you got beginner badges. If you have 50 points you got teacher badges. 100 points gives you pundit badges, and so on. You can also buy points
Renegade, see the world through open eyes. We ricochet across the darkest skies. While the mask
That's for today's video.
is for the ones who won't
Thanks for watching. Watch this
stay in the shadows.
and subscribe to get updated.